basically talk about the lipstick while wearing the lipstick. So yeah, I will basically talk about, yeah, I really like this. I really like it. I did. Hi guys, this is rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing my top 5 favorite local lipsticks. Some of you guys have been requesting me to do this video, so finally here it is. By the way, when I say local lipsticks, it's locally available, not necessarily like locally made. Because I have Maybelline in here and Fashion 21. I don't think Fashion 21 is locally made. But you know what I mean? They are locally available. It's very easy to find these lipsticks. I will actually feature 7 lipsticks here kasi may nagtay ng bonggang-bongga. I will be wearing the lipstick while talking about it, so you will see that in the next clips. And also, I will start from the 5th to the 1st, so saving the best for last. And yeah, let's go ahead and start. Okay, so the first lipstick, you guys, is this lipstick right here. This is the BYS Matte Lipstick. I did a review on this. Actually, lahat ng lipsticks na ipapakita ko sa inyo, I did a review on, so links of all the lipsticks reviews will be below. This one, I really like the formula. I really like how it glides on my lips. Very creamy, very smooth. Kaya lang, hindi siya true matte. I still really like the color though. It's more of a satin finish than matte. I'm pretty sure if matte to, mas magugustuhan ko siya ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi siya masama at all. Well, it's on my top 5. Okay, sa number 4 ko, meron akong dalawa. This is the first one. This is the EB Advanced Supreme Lipstick in the shade Jackie O. Para sa akin, ang lakas maka-fresh ng pagka-pink niya. Super bango din ng lipstick na to. Meron siyang very sweet, fruity smell. Very pigmented. It's very smooth sa lips. Glides on really nicely. I also really like the packaging. Really cute. Tapos, napaka-neat niya tingnan with the white and silver going on. If you're looking for a nice pink lipstick na good for everyday, hindi va-va-voom na pink, this one will be great. So, this one is, again, a pink lipstick. Still on my number 4 spot. This is the EB Advanced Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pink Pearl. So, medyo mas deep yung pagka-pink niya compared sa Jackie O kanina. I really like this, you guys. Hindi ko maiwasang ma-compare siya sa Velvet Matte from Maybelline. Yung wear niya much better sa Maybelline. Actually, na-mention ko rin yan sa review ko eh. Mas long-lasting siya compared sa Maybelline, which kinda sucks because Maybelline is on the more expensive side. I really like the applicator of this as well. Yung applicator niya, super liit, you guys. And I wasn't expecting na magugustuhan ko siya kasi nga ito yung pinakamaliit na applicator na nakita ko or nagamit ko sa lips ko sa buong buhay ko. But it actually works. Meron ka talagang control sa pag-shape ng lips mo, which is really bongga. So, the third lipstick is this. This is the EB Matte Lipstick in the shade Toast of New York. It's a really nice brownish reddish color. I don't know, I just like that color on me. Tapos, yung formula niya, bongga naman for a matte lipstick. Hindi siya drying sa lips ko at all. If you're looking for a matte lipstick, this is a really nice affordable matte lipstick. Sa number 3 spot ko, nagtayo din sa lab. They're both from Maybelline. This one that I'm wearing right now is the Colorshow Lipstick in the shade Nude Mocha. I have 2 Colorshow lipsticks. Yung isa, Plum Perfect. Sa kanilang dalawa, mas gusto ko yung Nude Mocha because for me, it's a perfect everyday shade. And feeling ko bagay siya sa kahit na anong kulay ng skin tone mo. Sa lahat ng lipstick ko, ito yung pinakamabango, you guys. It has that really nice, refreshing lipstick smell, if you know what I mean. Parang bubblegum actually. Basta gustong-gusto ko yung amoy niya. Gustong-gusto ko yung feeling niya sa lips ko. Napaka-smooth, moisturizing actually, which is great. Lagi ko siyang sinasabi, this is one of the best lipsticks I have tried from Maybelline. Tapos, you guys, this is only 165 pesos. That's a big plus for a very good lipstick. So, that's it right there. Ang katay ng Colorshow sa number 2 is this one right here. This is their Colorsensational Lasting Lip Color. I have mine in the shade Warm Me Up. It's a really nice nude color. Gustong-gusto ko yung pagka-nude niya kasi hindi niya ako nawawash off. It's just, for me, a perfect nude lipstick. Ito yung pinaka-easily nang nag-glide sa lips ko, guys. Itong lipstick na to. Super creamy. Super ganda niya sa feeling sa lips kapag in-apply. Pero glossy siya. So, kung hindi kayo mahilig sa glossy na lipstick, then you definitely will not like it. This is actually a very long-lasting lipstick. Again, you will see that on my review. Sobrang na-impress ako sa lipstick na to. And my number 1 local lipstick favorite, you guys, is the Fashion 21 All Day Matte Lipstick. I have on the All Day all-day bronze shade. I actually just got this recently and I cannot believe how long-lasting it is on the lips. I am really satisfied. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ngayon lang ako bumili ng Fashion 21 lipstick, but I'm really impressed. I really like the formula. It's not the most smooth, creamy lipstick, but it's matte. It's only 175 pesos. It's long-lasting. I cannot complain. If you're into nude matte lipstick, try the all-day bronze. I know a lot of you have tried this already kasi kayo nga nag-recommend sa akin ito eh. So thank you. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know below kung ano yung favorite locally available lipstick nyo. And as usual, thank you so much guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate the support. Please do like this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I do my best to upload videos every single day for you guys. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget, be good. Bye!